This video, I show you how to get paid $600 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for watching videos online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid to watch YouTube videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free. And you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. So step 1. Grab your mobile phone. Step 2. Click play and watch a short YouTube video. And step 3. Cash out your money on different payment methods such as PayPal. When you watch one video, you are going to earn up to $3. And every time you watch 20 videos, you are going to earn $60. And for 200 videos per day, you are going to earn $600. This is a beginner-friendly and 100% free method. You don't need to pay anything in order to earn money. The best thing about this method is that this is available worldwide. So no matter what country you're in, you are going to earn money. And you can get started with this right now. So I will show you how to sign up with this method and teach you what videos to watch in order to earn the most money. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, I am from aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get started. As you can see here, this YouTube video is just over 1 minute long. When you watch these kinds of videos, you are going to earn $3. You can watch videos like this on your mobile phone or on your computer. So first and foremost, I want you to go on this website. This website is 100% free, and you don't need any investments to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. But we are going to focus on watching videos because this is the simplest and most paying thing that we can do on this website. The best part about this website is that when you sign up for an account, you are going to receive $1 bonus. To do so, just enter here your first name, email address, and choose a username, then create a password. And on the country section, just click on this drop-down arrow right here. And you can see that they're accepting many countries all over the world. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can get started with this right now and earn a lot of money online. So once you're done with that, click on this box right here after reading the privacy policy and membership agreement, and then just hit the sign up button. This website has many different payment options that you can use, but I highly recommend you choose PayPal. This website offers a lot of opportunities for you to earn money online. The best part is this website offers really high payout rates. You can read it here that you can earn 65 to 85%, unlike other websites that only offer you 40 to 60%. So once you're done signing up, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or through e-gift cards. So to continue, just scroll down below and click on this button right here. So once you're done clicking that, you can now log into your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can see here that they gave me $1 as a sign-up bonus. You can also see here the earning potential that you can get by doing the offers. You can check this section right here and see the companies with their offers, which you can do on this website. These are some of the best companies around the world that are really legit. So you can do these offers and earn a lot of money. But as I've said earlier, we're going to focus on watching YouTube videos, because it is the most paying and simplest thing to do. And bear in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time. So try to do them as soon as possible. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. So to earn money by watching videos, you need to click on this section right here where it says videos. And that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. And what I like about this is you can watch different kinds of videos such as food, music, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is click on this button right here, which will then take you to this page where you can watch the video. You can see that this video is just over 1 minute long. The best part is you're going to earn $1 to $3 on this very video alone right here. That is pretty amazing. So this website is called gg2u.org. Now, as I've promised, here's the bonus tips for you, my avid viewers and subscribers. Watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. Watch all the available videos from food, music, viral, gaming, and so on and so forth. To do so, open all the browsers in a new tab, then you can watch the videos on all the different categories at the same time, and even have more devices. So if you have extra phones and laptops, you can watch the videos through multiple devices at the same time. This is where you can earn more money because you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and do anything else that you'd want or need to. And you're already earning money just by doing that. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you get paid to watch YouTube videos for absolutely free. Now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description down below to discover how to get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for just watching simple and short videos, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on, so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.